Hello everyone, we're now in front of the Huawei Flagship store on Nanjing East Road in Shanghai. These are the new products Huawei launched today. I won't be unboxing them alone in this video. I've invited a few creator friends to join me. Now let them introduce themselves and tell you which product they're most excited about. I'm your old friend, Wang Haiban. I'm most looking forward to the Huawei P2X Max Collector's Edition. Actually, I'm most curious about its folding design, which is quite different from previous foldables. Hello everyone, I'm Wang Jie, and today we'll unbox the new Huawei P90 Pro Max. I've brought my P90 Pro Max, so we can compare them. Hello everyone, I'm tech creator Yan Suan from Bilibili. Today, at this event, the product I'm most interested in is these Huawei AI glasses. Huawei didn't pay us anything for this video, we're doing this purely as friends. Without further ado, let's start the main content. A very shiny, gold packaging box. P2X Max Collector's Edition. Today we're unboxing the 16GB plus 1TB version in vibrant orange. It's placed horizontally like this. You can see its form is very unique compared to other foldables. Let us peel off the protective film for you. On a scale of 1 to 5, what would you rate this look? Now, let's fold this device for the first time. Wow. The grip feels great, pretty good, very comfortable in hand. The one-handed grip feels really nice, and when unfolded, you can use it like this, just like a small tablet. I actually really liked the Huawei MatePad Mini before, and they feel quite similar, especially the aspect ratio of the body. Now let's look at the accessories. A 66W USB-C charging plug. It comes with a semi-wrapped transparent hard case. Are you satisfied with this form? My first impression, it's the perfect small tablet size. I think this product will definitely sell like crazy. With such a small tablet ratio, plus this fashionable color, I think you should go to a Huawei store to try it out. I believe you'll fall in love with it too. As expected, it's the new Tangerine Sea color with right-angled edges. The edge transition has an anodized finish, so the top part is slightly cyan and blue, while the middle is almost the original metal color. But when light hits it, it shows a slight hint of gold. The front bezels are nearly equal width and have rounded corners. It matches the frame quite well. The camera layout is the same as the P90 Pro Plus. However, all antenna cutouts are white. They didn't do any special coloring, but it's completely flush to the touch. You won't feel any bumps. The front has a single punch hole camera, large rounded corners. The overall corner curvature is quite large, so when you hold it in your hand, your palm won't feel too sharp, and when you touch it, your fingers will touch the back panel and the curved edge transition. How to describe this curve? Without a case, your hand might feel a bit sharp. But this is the current right angle frame. Overall feature. The charger is very classic, still the Huawei 100 Cube. Huawei has now merged its charging protocol with USCS. So when you charge with it, it triggers 110W USCS. Of course, this charger also supports PPS protocol, so it's a relatively universal charger. And its heat control is decent. The overall feel is still as comfortable as before. This generation has a right-angle frame, so you'll clearly feel it's wider than previous models. For the camera, this generation still has the classic ultra-wide 1x and 4x telephoto, but the telephoto now supports 200MP. However, in normal mode, we need to swipe right here. Then there's a high-res mode, where you can activate the 200MP native color camera, which is the 200MP sensor underneath, same as the second-gen Hongfeng. In promotional images, it looks like the back is frosted, but actually the mirror reflection is quite noticeable. But one thing, the back material is similar to the P80, somewhat alike. When light hits it, it shows an X-shaped diffraction. That is, the same shadow splits into many. In complex lighting, the light on the back appears more obvious. Okay, let's take a look. Now with the flash on, a strong light hits it. It gives an effect similar to a sunset glow. Okay, hello everyone, I'm Lu Top. Today we're unboxing the Huawei Pura 90 Pro. And it has that 8-like radiant feel. Overall specs, I think it's similar to the Pro Max, especially in screen and imaging. The feel is very smooth. For imaging, it has a 14mm ultra-wide, a 24mm standard, and a 96mm telephoto. Still paired with Huawei's native Hongmeng True Color camera. Now let's unbox the Huawei Star Diamond Yellow River Diamond watch. The whole design feels very luxurious. For example, the dial, I think it's very similar to the LTGA series. Its look combines luxury watch designs. Like these diamond-like studs and diamond-shaped strap, they resemble some Bivulgari designs. Its designer was the former female creative director of Yves Saint Laurent, so the watch is perfect for women with slender wrists, especially the diamond studs and the diamond-shaped strap. As Huawei's first diamond watch by Phelan Master, it's very much anticipated. Okay, the first product we're unboxing is this Huawei Pura 90 Standard Edition. This phone looks quite thin overall, and the lens interface, as you can see, is a newer type, quite different from previous PUR series. The protrusion is also very thin. It's very slim. So this is the Pura 90 Standard. Next, let's talk about my most anticipated product, the Huawei AI glasses released this year. I'm a heavy AI glasses user, because I like to record things often, right? So the ones I'm wearing now are Xiaomi AI glasses. Now, let's unbox it. Okay, inside there is a glasses case. Let's open it. Inside is the actual glasses. Now let me try this pair on and feel it. My first impression is that it's incredibly light. A pair like this might weigh around 70 to 80 grams, but this one feels like it's around 40 to 50 grams. So compared to those bulky old glasses, after wearing them for a while and then taking them off after a long time, your nose bridge feels really sore. And this one is not only lighter, the frame is also very thin, so it doesn't feel as bulky on your face. To be honest, when I wear these glasses, every time I take the high-speed train, going through security, I always take them off, otherwise the system can't recognize my face. Huawei did a great job this time. The frame size is also quite large. This should better fit Asian face shapes. I'm also looking forward to better integration with HarmonyOS in cars for a better connected experience. Things like music transfer and AI voice control for the car. Okay. That's our unboxing of these two products. We suggest you try on the glasses in store. That's all for this video. Special thanks to the fellow creators who featured in this video. If you are interested in their content, feel free to follow their channels. And thanks again to the Huawei Flagship store on Nanjing East Road in Shanghai. If you're passing by the Bund or in Shanghai, come check it out in person. All the new products mentioned today are on display in the store. They also have a special POR 90 drink. Welcome to try it. Oh, by the way, there's a giveaway pin on my homepage. If you want to upgrade your phone or get a new computer, you can enter the giveaway. If you want more tech videos, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to follow my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.